Don't eat the bowl, silly. Look what's in the bowl. You'll find it. You'll get there. You stepped in it, kitten. Yeah, your brothers, their sisters don't know what they're doing. It's really cute. We'll figure it out. Hey, Splotch. You coming around to try it? Can you figure it out, Splotch? You're also biting the ball. Hey, baby sticks. That's it, Splotch. You got it. You're so close. Just stick your face in there. You keep sticking your paws in there. You're sticking your paws in there. That's not where you go. But you're eating it. Good job. You figured it out. You're gonna make a fucking mess, but you figured it out. That's one way to do it, kitty. Good job. You're the first. You're the first to figure it out. Oh, you found the water, baby sticks. Good job. Thank you. You discovered shoes and shoelaces. So many new discoveries today. Baby sticks. I think you're officially named Baby Sticks. You're trying to scratch on the cardboard. I gotta make it your scratching post. Here you come. Plop. Maybe we should do a field trip to the lawn, huh? Oh, you're so pretty. You're just eating it all up. Hey, little buddies. Here, watch. Yeah. Hi, little one. Can you come up? Oh, you're cleaning the floor. Thank you. Good job. Good job cleaning the floor from your sister. Good job, Splotch. You made it. People keepers. Kittens. Coming back out, Splotch. Getting some climbing practice at it. Atta girl. Atta kitty. I'm scratching the sand. Good, good. Come up. Kittens are totally destroying my linen shorts. I should not be wearing these around the kittens. Climbing practice. Oh well. Hey, Splotch, come here. Have you shoulder Splotch? What do you think? What do you think? You smell like cat food, Splotch. Okay, well that's enough video for today. Big day.